Hi, my name is DMacdonald. Thank you for your interest in our pilot study examining emergent literacy and non-word reading of preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia. Non-word reading has been used to investigate whether children with autism and hyperlexia are employing phonological awareness and phoneme-grapheme correspondence skills to support their word reading at such a young age, like typically developing children do at an older age. Phonological awareness and phoneme-grapheme correspondence of very young children with autism and hyperlexia have been found to be challenging. However, no study to date has looked at the non-word reading skills of an exclusive group of preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia with sample sizes greater than 2 participants. Thus, the aims of this study are to examine the status and relationship of phonological awareness, phoneme-grapheme correspondence to reading and non-word reading in an exclusive group of 8 preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia, as compared to a typically developing group and a group with autism without hyperlexia. We recruited 15 preschoolers with autism and 15 with typical development who met these criteria. The 15 with autism were further divided into those with hyperlexia who met Needleman's 5 criteria for hyperlexia, and the remaining 7 were assigned to the group with autism without hyperlexia. Using standardized measures, we assessed word reading, non-word reading, phoneme-grapheme correspondence, and phonological awareness. The results showed that for the preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia, although word reading was a strength, shown here in blue, non-word reading was a relative weakness, shown here in red, and there was a significant difference between word reading and non-word reading for the group with autism and hyperlexia. Further examination of the group with autism and hyperlexia revealed no significant correlations between word reading and emergent literacy skills. However, significant positive correlations were found between non-word reading and phoneme-grapheme correspondence, non-word reading and phonological awareness, non-word reading and word reading, and phonological awareness and phoneme-grapheme correspondence. These findings suggest that for preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia, stronger word readers are also better non-word readers and have better developed emergent literacy skills. Previous studies with typically developing children have shown that phonological awareness acquisition is influenced by exposure to formal literacy instruction. Along these lines, our findings suggest that for preschoolers with autism and hyperlexia, stronger word reading acquisition appears to influence the development of phonological awareness and phoneme-grapheme correspondence, rather than phonological awareness and phoneme-grapheme correspondence acquisition influencing the development of word reading, which is the case for typically developing preschoolers. This provides insight into how children with autism and hyperlexia are learning to read, although further studies with larger sample sizes in this domain are required. Thank you.